Hi, it's Bill again from Symphony Boats. We're here to tell you about our latest boat, which was Summer Wine. It's a very high class boat, a very beautiful boat, and a very high spec boat. This boat's been done for a show and not actually a customer, as all our boats have been. On there you will find things that we haven't put on any other boats, because we try to be different each time to show you the range of stuff that we can do on a boat should you order one. This is going to be the last one of its kind, because we'll be moving over to stock boats from this point on. We will only do boats of this calibre when they pre-ordered. So without any further ado, we'll put the video on and let you have a look at it and judge for yourself. Right, having seen how high spec this boat is, you will see how much different it is to an ordinary stock boat. A stock boat, for instance, it doesn't have metallic paint, it doesn't have cushions on the back, it doesn't have a Beta 50 engine in, it doesn't have a 3.5 inverter in, it doesn't have a canopy on the back, it doesn't have a cratch on the front, it doesn't have tech deck on the back, it doesn't have tech deck on the front, it doesn't have a 30mm worktop with a profile on the front. There's an awful lot of things that are different between a stock boat and this boat we've just been looking at. However, there's not as much call for this type of boats that we're doing. There's more call for the stock boats, which is why we'll be going into the stock boats. Not only that, we'll be actually looking at people who's bought sailaways and they're doing it as a project. However, they will have found out by now that it's not as simple as they thought it was going to be. And they are bringing some new regulations in now that, yeah, you can do your sail away yourself. However, when you come to sell it, you might not be able to sell it because it won't be up to the standards or the regulations or whatever. You'd have to have your boat certified, and then before you could actually sell it. So we're looking at all you people with sailaways who maybe want to bring it up to the standard it should be, i.e. your electrics, or you want a kitchen putting in, or you want your bathroom doing, or you want central heating putting in, all these sort of things. We're actually thinking of offering this service. It could be that you've not got a sail away, but you've got a boat that you want to modernise a little bit. You might want to take out that big old dinette, give yourself a bit more room, put your kitchen in, have a breakfast bar in. These are the type of things that we can do and modernise these boats for you. Yeah, so these are the type of things we're looking at doing, as well as the stock boats. So if there's anything here that interests you, feel free. So if you like the video, leave us a comment down below, and or a question. If you want to ask a question, leave that down, we'll get back to you. On the other hand, you can email us at symphonyboatslimited@gmail.com, and the limited is LTD. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.